As we have already learned in previous class, active and passive voice, now we are going to revise again. Okay. What are active and passive voice? So look at this statement, Ram killed Ravan. So here you can see subject is Ram and verb is killed and Ravan is object. And this is a past tense. Okay. This is simple past tense. I think you all can recognize because second form of verb is used. So it is simple past tense. Ravan was killed by Ram. So you can see here, object was Ravan, it becomes subject. And killed, verb, that was in past tense, we have used was were. As Ravan was singular, so we will use was. Okay, was killed by Ram. So in active voice, we are having subject. Subject does the action, and in passive voice, object becomes the subject. Okay, object is receiving the action. That is called passive voice. Like Ram killed Ravan, this is active voice when the subject is doing the action. And when the object is receiving the action and it becomes the subject, then it is called passive voice. Clear, children? Clear to everyone? Show me your virtual thumb.
Yes, ma'am.
Is clear? Okay, fine. Next slide. He is held by her. I am buying a pen. He has to teach us. Someone is following us. Okay. So he is held by her. So we can change it. He is held by her. What she is?
She help him.
She helps him. We can write here. She helps him. I'll just write here. She helps him. She helps him. She helps him. Okay. Now you change it. He, him will become he. He is because it is singular. He is held by her. I am buying a pen. A pen is being bought by me. He has to teach us. We have to be taught by him. And in when we are changing active to passive voice, we always use verb third form. We always use verb third form. You can everywhere we are using third form. Okay. Someone is following us. We are being followed. So now I'll move on to the next slide. Then I'll explain you a bit more. So you can see here, bring the Ananya raise hand. Yes, Ananya, tell me, beta. Ananya,
Ma'am, am I audible?
yes, you're audible.
Ma'am, in the previous sentence, we said that he is helped. We are followed. So, ma'am, will we not write that we are being followed by someone?
That is absolutely correct. You can also write that, and you can also write this. There are two ways to write these sentences. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I don't understand.
What are you saying? Come again. I'm not able to hear. Speak up. Speak up, beta. So you can see here, bring the object first, choose correct be verb, form verb, change verb into participle, verb third form, then add by and subject. Like she helps him becomes he. Because it is simple present tense, is will come, then verb third form will become, then by and subject will become object. She will become her. Okay. Then next slide. Subject objects. I will become me, we become us, you become you, they become them, he become him, she become her, Ram remains Ram, and book remains book. She told us a story. So you can see here this is past tense. When we are using simple past tense, we are using was were in passive voice. Us will become we. We were told a story by her. So you can see here there are two objects. Us is also object, story is also object. So we were told a story by her. They appointed him an ambassador. He was appointed an ambassador. Okay. He was appointed an ambassador, and ambassador was appointed to him. The story has taught us a good lesson. We have been taught a good lesson by the story. A good lesson has been taught to us by the story. She has to help us. Us will become we. We have to be helped by her. We have to learn English. English has to be learned. I had to wait the bus. The bus had to be waited by me. Now for models, when we are changing models, we are using be. She can speak Chinese. Chinese can be spoken by her. We must preserve the tiger. The tigers must be preserved. Must have, should have, could have, might have, would have, been. He should have stolen my pen. My pen should have been stolen by him. With have, we are using been. They must have left any sign. Any sign must have been left. So you can see here, simple present is MR verb third form. This is a rule. Then present continuous is MR being plus verb third form. Then present perfect object plus has have plus been plus verb third form. In present perfect, has have plus been verb first form plus ing not used commonly. We are not using this. So I want this to explain you on the board. Just look at the board. All of you look at the board now. I think my board is visible to you all. So what are the formulas?
Yes, ma'am.
We will move on the first formula. Okay. I'll move from the simple present tense. What is the formula is going to change? Like simple present tense, I'll write I take lunch. Okay, this is simple present. I take lunch. Okay. Simple present. When this is an active voice. Active voice, because how to recognize active voice? When the subject is doer. Okay. And there is no third form is there. To rectify it, there is no third form. You can see simply. There is no third form. There is no is MR, no was were is written, and no by is there. So it is active voice when the subject is doing the action. When the object becomes subject, then it is a passive voice. Okay. I take lunch. First, we need to recognize which kind of sentence it is. It is simple
The
present.
lunch is taken by me.
Absolutely right. It is simple present. Okay. So we have to see. We have to check the subject. This is verb. This is object. Verb is in first form. So now object will become subject. Lunch. Lunch is singular. Lunch is taken. Verb third form will be there. By. I will become me. Okay. Lunch is taken by me. This is passive voice. This is clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
When we are
Yes, ma'am.
converting simple present and we are using is MR. Okay. This is the rule. When we want to convert active into passive voice in present tense, then we are using is MR. Okay. Like they take lunch. So lunch is taken by them. Okay. Clear, children? So I'll change this
Yes, ma'am.
into I am taking lunch in present continuous tense. I am taking lunch. So when I am changing continuous tense, I will be using being. To remove ing, because we know in passive voice we use verb third form. Okay, we have to make it verb third form. Clear? So lunch is being taken by me. So when we are changing into passive form, we have to make it into third form. We have to use it in third form. So to make it third form, we have to use ing. Remove ing, it will become being. You will remember this.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, in every sentence, ma'am, being ही लगेगा अगर ing
If it is
हटाना है.
continuous, yes. If it is continuous, because in passive voice, we have only third form. You can check all the examples that in passive voice, we use only third form. Okay, this is a form.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so we have to remove this ing. So we are putting here being. Clear, children? So you can change it plural also. Lunch is being taken by them. Okay, then I'll move on to the perfect tense. Perfect. I have taken lunch. Is my board visible or should I write up? I have taken lunch.
Ma'am, your board is clearly
Ma'am, it's
visible.
visible.
Okay, that's good. I have taken lunch. Okay, now lunch with singular we are putting has and we will add been. Lunch has been taken by me. This is the formula. For perfect tense, we are using been. Okay, children, only this is the change. Here third form, here also third form. Okay. So what changes I have made? That lunch is singular, I have used has, then been taken by me. So this is clear, children. Lunch has
Yes, ma'am.
been by me. So similar example I can give you in the past. When I'm talking about simple past, you just notice the changes. What are the changes I'm making, children? Okay, if there is any doubt, you can ask me, but observe the changes. If I'm talking about simple past, so here I have to put the second form. I took lunch. Okay, so this is simple past. Clear, children? No doubt in simple past.
Yes, ma'am, no doubt.
Verb second form. Then is will become was. Is will become was, because lunch is singular, with singular we are using was, and with plural we are using were. Okay, so lunch was taken by me. Similarly, if I will write here, I was taking lunch. So what will become here, children? Tell me.
Was.
Lunch was being taken by
Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. So it's clear to you all now. Lunch was being taken by me. So I have made here changes. I had taken lunch. So what will come here? Come on, children.
Lunch had been taken by me.
Very good. Absolutely correct.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vika.
Ma'am, why we haven't changed taken?
Taken, we want the third form. It's already third form. So what? How? In which form we are going to change? Tell me.
Third form.
Ma'am, we use only third form in active and
Yes,
passive
absolutely
voice.
correct. In passive voice, we are having third form. So if it is third form is there, then what is the need of changing that? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So I think this is clear to you all now. We are able to do it. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So I can
Yes,
give you
ma'am.
one more example. You just change
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
You just change it. I do my homework. I do my homework. Change into passive voice. I do my homework.
Homework is done by me.
Homework is done by me.
There is my homework is done by me.
My homework is done by me.
It's done by me. Absolutely correct. So can you change into continuous? This sentence into continuous, children? Can you change into continuous? Same sentence.
I'm doing my homework.
Very good. I'm doing my homework. First,
I'm doing my homework.
understand the sentence, then we are going to change. I'm doing my homework. Now change into passive voice, children.
Homework doing by me.
The homework is being done by me.
Homework is being done by me.
Absolutely correct. My homework is being done by me. So children, you need to do practice, then you are going to learn. Okay. Now change into perfect. Come on.
I have done my homework.
I have done my homework.
Absolutely correct. Very good. I have done my homework. Now
I
change.
have done my homework.
My homework has done by me.
Homework done.
My
My homework has done by
My
me.
homework
done.
has done by me.
Has done by me.
Has been done.
I have done.
has
Has
been
been
done by me. See children, only where you have made changes, only been you have added. Okay, if it is singular, we are using has. If it is plural, we are using have. And been we are adding here. Has been done by me. Okay. Then next, past.
I had done my homework.
Past, simple past.
I had done my homework.
I
I
did my homework.
did my homework.
What I'll write here? My homework
Was.
Was done by
absolutely
me.
correct. So what I am going to write here?
Was.
Very good. I was.
I was.
So what I'm going to write here?
Was.
I
been.
was.
Very good. What
My
I'm going
homework
to write
was.
here?
Had.
Absolutely
I had.
Had.
Absolutely correct.
Had.
Very good.
Had
I think
been.
now concept is clear to you all. Okay, you are able to do it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So for models, we are using can be, shall be, will be. Okay. We are using be. So now we are going to do the exercise part.